Okay, we're gonna start this video off. We got some madness. You got that, and then that little target. And no, this is not my house.
Hello.
Friendly neighbors, well, down the street neighbor, best friend house. Yeah. Hopefully I'm still recording. Yes, it's still recording. So we got my strife in here. What's all mine? We got my 12 round mag with the 25. That's in here. I think that's all I brought over. Oh, and then my shotgun, and then my rival shotgun. This thing is a beast of a gun. That went down the stairs. Oh, what's up, girls? We're making a YouTube videos. You going on YouTube? You're going on the internet. Congratulations. 14 people are going to see it within 12 hours. That's going to be the highlight of the video.
Hey,
yo, I'm going to make
step on my balls.
She just booty shot. I never knew this, but you could flip the screen around. And then look, you can have it like this. So you can have a cameraman just sitting here on the side of the screen just watching what you're recording.
Oh, God.
So you don't have to be like, you can just be like, oh, don't want to look up. It's like when you want to look at the screen.
You're recording right now.
I understand that. We've been recording for a minute now.
Yeah, you can edit it.
I can, technically. But do I feel like editing videos? No. That's why my video that I just posted yesterday is like an hour and 8 minutes long. It literally took like an hour. Like, I literally let it sit there for like a whole entire day just loading and loading and loading. The computer finally shut off like 5 times, so I had to go in there, turn it back on, restart the loading. So annoying. Alright, so we're going to have some fun. Why? She got some big boy balloons.
Yes, I do.
They're the size of my wiener.
Why?
Oh, that's funny.
Please leave the target area or you will be shot.
Exactly, we're using the target, so you might want to move.
You might get shot and it's not our fault.
You get shot, you die. You fly up on the floor. Oh, hold on. The best gun in our arsenals. No, show them the best gun in our arsenals. Our arsenal.
Now find the bus.
Oh, the little, just me little toy boost.
Yeah, dig in the guns.
I know it's somewhere like right here. There it is. This is the second to best gun. It's just me little toy boost. That's how we like to call it.
I have the little.
And just the OPest of all the guns. Totally not exaggerating here. The jolts. So Zach, you want to go ahead and just start us off? We're just testing out some guns. So Zach, pick your gun.
And
I kind of forgot.
Empty the clip, and then you have to reload it.
You mean the
Mag. If it's mine, yes. So he's got the rival shotgun.
If you unload, you don't have to reload. If you unload with my guns, you don't have to reload. You just have
He made 2.
I got one in the 50 and one in 75.
Nice. This thing's got some power behind it.
Why is what?
She's letting a balloon fart. Alright, Reed, start us off with his brand new.
Out of my way! You're gonna get shot.
What is this? This is the
Echo.
Echo. It's somewhere like over there. Somewhere.
No, it's not. You just. Oh, well, yeah.
It literally says Echo somewhere. There
Yeah,
it
it
is.
says it right here.
Eee.
This is the cool side. This is
Nerf Elite 2.0. Let her rip, tater chip.
That's garbage. That was even more garbage. Even more garbage. Oh, that's close.
You even aiming?
Kind of, in a way. I'm taking off this piece of garbage barrel.
Oh yeah, the barrel's like 5 pounds.
Yeah, the gun itself weighs less than the barrel.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Ouch.
Stepping on Reed, trying to get back here in a good spot.
I haven't made any.
Zach!
Hold on. Yeah, I'm out. Echo's out.
Alright, I might need to use a
You
chair
don't need to reload it. It's fine. My guns, you don't need to reload.
for my beautiful shots.
Hello.
Hello! Remember that?
Wait,
video?
so they're not going to be able to see who Kind of. In a way.
See how the gun shoots then. This is the Nerf Mega Cyclone Shot something.
Cyclone shot.
Thank you, Reed. Mr. Nerf Tech over here. Hold on, we gotta get the good shot. Get on my nerves. Alright, there we go.
If you shoot my gun, you don't have to reload it. Just because I don't have all my guns loaded. Yeah, as you can see, a bullet already fell out.
Babe. Not very.
It's powerful. It was my first turn.
Didn't even shoot.
One of your gun safeties can never look down the barrel of a gun.
That he's looking.
I did this also. Okay, we figured out that predictable is trash. This gun can't even aim properly.
So much that curved. That curved so much.
Yeah, this one bullet right here is
Okay,
not wanting to shoot. So,
put all the guns we've already shot over here.
on the ottoman.
Yeah, ottoman.
Alright, Reed, or no, Zach, start us off again.
Yeah, we need a cameraman.
Pick out,
I don't have any ammo for this.
Okay, Zachary.
just take it out of a
Okay, if
random
you don't
gun.
have any ammo for that, just pick out some of these or just use some of those over there.
We seem to have a balloon monster. Somebody needs to shoot that balloon and hopefully it pops.
It doesn't work like that with.
Yes, it does.
Okay, yes it does.
Let me see that balloon.
Yeah? Oh my god.
Uh-oh, somebody's coming over. She's got to clean up a hot mess.
I don't see anybody.
Out of the way, sir. You're gonna get shot.
Oh, sorry. Totally not aiming a barrel at my face. Hold on. Hold fire. She's in her room. Or a room.
Reed, go tell Emily I want her downstairs now. Grab, Mom wants you.
Emily. I know, Reed.
Start moving, Emily.
Balloon's yours.
We're definitely gonna have to cut this.
Boom, made it first shot. How many will this kid make?
Yeah, I think he hit one.
He hit one, and I hit one,
Leave
just
the
fringe.
bullets in case you have another gun that has no bullets.
I'll just leave with a 20 round drum and a full 12. We'll just do that. Because my 25 wasn't fully loaded when I got here. Or when I left my house. So I don't want to take any of your bullets. And that mag isn't loaded either. Because I tried to save.
Feel free to shoot my balloon. Feel free to shoot my balloon.
Ah!
Sorry guys. Horrible angles. I missed.
Bruh, you gotta
Ah!
get the beast.
Alright, Reed, you're up.
Hey, Zach, it's not your turn. Hey.
Reed
Use
is.
that. You can use that. But I'm just gonna find a different gun.
Reed, what are you gonna use?
you can use it. I'm
Use
gonna
the Ultra.
I'm gonna use the.
Use the Ultra 3.
Wait, hold on. I forgot.
Please tell us out of which one of these. Uh-oh, he's going into the room. We're gonna cover it up for the mess. Uh-oh, the Ultra Pharaoh.
Oh yeah.
It's only got 7 rounds in it though. It holds 10. No, I think it's got. Yeah, no.
It's got about 7
it's
rounds
got
in it. It's cocked.
Yeah, it's not. What the? Is this broken? Okay, it's not cocked.
Okay, maybe not. Hit the balloon next time. Oh, he hit the balloon.
Oh no!
We hit it.
Now it's draining air, believe it or not.
It's draining air. Whoa, that's what a balloon does.
Reload that. You want to shoot it?
What is this? Helium or just regular air?
Hey, I'm still shooting.
Have you made any, Reed?
No. It's kind of hard.
I can tell how much my hand is shaking. To use 2 hands just to hold my hand steady. I'm up. Ree, can you be my cameraman? Sure. Hold on, let me zoom all the way.
Alright, I gotta flip the gun over here with the guns of shame.
Alright.
Has this gun been tested?
You don't need to mess with the zoom, just randomly just put it on me for a couple seconds, bring it back.
I don't even know what the zoom is, so I can't mess with it. How to zoom in. Here you
Sorry,
go.
that's my gun.
Yeah, this is the gun you're gonna be testing for us.
Here, you can stand right over here. Because you gotta make sure you get the target.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the rival knockout. You can't even see the bullet. Oh,
If you can find the target.
you see that miss? This gun right here is called the knockout. Okay. It goes in the ottoman of shame now.
Ottoman of shame.
Yeah.
Then we should do a tournament based after this.
Gun ability test.
Alright, everybody grab your next gun. Oh, Zach's letting her rip.
Zach, it's gap.
What?
Gap. Gun ability test. It's gap.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna.
Hey guys, we're doing gap. Gun ability test 1.
Number 1 on my channel.
Yeah, gun ability test. Gap.
Awful. Number 1 question I guarantee y'all will ask after this video. Lance, what is your best gun? Well, the only gun that I actually use. Literally, the only gun that I actually use. My Nerf strike. Alright, Reed, you're up. Let it rip for tater chip.
Hold on, I don't want to use that.
Or leave a tater chip.
Leave a tater chip. Hold on, I gotta get the silencer.
Uh-oh, back into the messy room.
Please hold.
Back. Ooh, nice silencer you got there, buddy. I actually have that gun. Woo.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Out of the messy room. It's at Slade's house. Oops. Now you know who my neighbor is. So, good luck. I guarantee he's gonna watch this video because it's Nerf stuff.
What?
I guarantee Slade's gonna watch this video because it's Nerf stuff.
Wait, he watches Nerf stuff?
He watches my videos.
Oh. He's probably gonna be jealous.
What kind of shot was that?
Crap. Crap. And that was the silenced pistol. Oh yeah, I can shoot
Piece of
way
junk.
faster.
Here, Zach, you gotta be.
Hold
You
on.
gotta be my
Guys, I'm gonna show you
cameraman.
something. I can shoot
I'll
this
break
way
it
faster.
probably. She don't let me have
Watch
it.
out.
Hold on, I'm gonna show them. I can shoot this way faster. Can you see it?
This is his-
ability test.
This is the garbage gun.
SAT. This is SAT. Strike ability test. You have failed, sir. Oh no, sir, you have also failed.
Hey, May 25. Almost a 60.
Yeah, you can see how bad he is.
This is.
Hey, it sprays your target. It sprays your target. That's the only thing I actually like about the gun. It sprays your target.
This is silenced pistol V2. I totally did not.
Alright, you're going in the garbage pile. Golly.
Hold on. I guarantee you I probably won't get any in there. But
Hold on.
This is just for show.
Don't hit me.
Not aim. This is for show.
Did you even make a single one?
No.
Is there even bullets in it?
Alright, my turn.
Nope.
Disruptor.
The disruptors. You have to shoot both at the same time.
Dual disruptors. Hey, make sure you have all the ammo in those two.
Or you can shoot one at a time. I don't care.
I'm trash.
You're dueling with two heavy guns.
A bullet just came down and hit me right in the balls. So look, I was laying here on the ground. There's Zach. Reed. Oh, and it did it again. It just hit me. Oh, he's finally actually nailing the target. I was literally just laying here like this. Oh no, let me zoom all the way out.
Alright, down to one disruptor.
I gotta zoom out all the way. There we go. I was just laying here like this, and he just. Look at how much ammo we got over there.
Oh, I got one left.
Okay, Vinny, you want to do the you want to do the head doinker? Here's
No,
the
that
head
one in.
doinker.
I think I'm gonna rock the.
Oh, one left.
Oh, the beautiful rivals of rivals.
You have to load that, by the way.
And it's really bad.
Or is it loaded?
Needs one.
There's one right there.
Yeah, just use one of mine.
That's what I'm doing.
Reed.
On ball.
I'm doing the
What do you
honors
got
of the
going on
head
over here?
jointer.
Barbie dolls.
I'm doing the honors.
Reed, cameraman.
Make swimming suits for them. Did it pop again? Oh, there it is.
Okay, the gun that he is using.
Shot it like first time.
This is his favorite gun right here, the Kronos. Got 5 rounds. Zach, please move.
This is usually my secondary. One. Out.
Yeah, that was the Kronos. Now it's in the pile of shame.
That was actually the pile of good.
Oh.
Oh,
All right, who's next?
1, 2, 3, 4 rounds.
Hello there, sir.
Are you really zooming in on me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Stratobow. How do you say this? Stratobow?
I don't know. We'll let my
It's a
viewers
strato
decide. However, that's supposed to be. Don't shoot me. Oh. Hold on. Hold.
It's accurate. You have one that's kind of in a way. You can fix that. Just put it all
Thank
the way
you.
down like that.
Don't hit me in the fuse. Can the gun even shoot?
Wait a second. So much bolts down there. That gun is a piece of garbage. Although it holds 16 rounds, but it's a piece of garbage.
1, 2 left.
Last one. You out.
This is the next one.
One
The
left.
head doinker will give you 5 rounds with that.
Yeah, the head doinker's here.
This is mine. The Nerf Ultra 2.
I have the head doinker. The most powerful gun I have. No.
You mean Ultra? I need to reload this thing.
Hey, bro, I'm trying to get my sniper pose. It'd be nice if you could shoot a bit.
Sorry. See, this is the one my brother shot all those bullets up trying to get the ball down, Reed.
Yeah.
Probably without the scope.
2, 1, fire.
You got 3 rounds with that.
3? I thought you said I had 5. But
3.
I
Here's your
have
round.
all these over here.
Oh.
Head doinker! That was horribly inaccurate.
Go ahead and let her rip on one more.
That was the head doinker.
Head doinker 2.0.
No, what do you mean 2.0?
Zoom really far in. Zoom out.
Oh, bro, that's gross.
Bro, stop. Nobody's gonna want to watch. You're just fine with me.
It doesn't even focus on my
Okay,
skin.
it's your turn. Pick a gun.
Oh yeah, I already got my gun. Here, flip the screen around. Just aim it. Bring it down more. There you go. Good boy.
Okay.
This is the Nerf Ultra. No. Yeah, Nerf Ultra 2.
Yes, it is the 2.
Oops.
Look at that face of determination right there. Oh, sorry, Zach, move. Hey, can you do that again? Zachary got in the way.
Oh, come on, Zach.
We'll be right back after the sad zooms in on Legos.
Zooms in on Lego. I'd like to give a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, myself. Are you just? Oh, you're recording. I'm like, are you recording me? Just loading and recording.
Here he is in his natural habitat,
Here's
loading
mine.
his Nerf Ultra 2.
Well, technically not mine, but okay. Hit.
Zooming in on ear.
Really?
Just
Let-
kid-
Oh gosh.
Okay, we have his face of concentration. Oh. Okay. Sorry, my camera skills is bad.
We'll be back after this quick break. Welcome back from that quick break.
Let's see.
Hold on, that's not all.
Oh, really?
He landed none. And oh yeah, look at all this ammo on the floor. Oh God. Woo! And he still missed all of his shots.
Let's try this one.
Okay, which one you got?
This is garbage.
No, I'll take it. Here, you can be my cameraman.
No, I am your cameraman.
You be my cameraman.
Yeah, no, Zach. Okay, he's got 12 rounds and the rival Apollo. And his face of determination. Yeah, yep. He missed. Lance, out of the way. Out of the way. Hey kids, never look down the barrel of a gun. Yeah. That's what it's like inside of the rival. Let me think again. Charger. Hey! Ah! That ricocheted off of my foot. Hey, bro, shoot the target, not his ball.
Definitely not my ball. Uh-oh. Charger might be down. Oh, nope, there we go.
Look how fast that thing revs.
Alright, we'll start from standstill. Oh, you gotta point it again. Boom, max.
Yeah.
Alright, read your oh yeah, it reads up.
Yeah, you're getting the camera now.
Okay.
What are you rolling with?
Hey, there's my phone. I will do
Pistol stand up.
A bolt, which is a nerf Elite 2.0 laser
Alright.
sight, which apparently you probably can't see. Hey,
I know what I'm rolling with.
ammo. No. That appears to be not out right now.
Ah! I need like a nerf dart to hold up this. Okay, maybe a little too high.
Okay, you good? Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to get a good setup. Sorry if it's so loud with all the nerf guns shooting!
Chill.
I just got hit in the back with the rival round. Don't ask me now how I know it's a rival. And I just got hit in the ear.
Chill.
Alright, we're going to let it rip on your tater chips.
Hold on. I died.
On what?
That's some game nobody wants to hear about.
Oh. So as you can see the
This is the
Wait, hold on.
Where's
There's
your
no such thing.
camera?
Right there on the floor. There's no such thing as a cameraman anymore. Just set it on the floor and call it good. 5 rounds.
This one has 3.
Make it 5.
That's 6.
That just
You
sounds so
stop
long.
pointing that at me, please.
When you're done safety, kid.
Shoot. Did somebody already shoot my shotgun? Nope. Yeah, because it's in the
I
pile of
think Zach
shit.
No, I
shot
used
that.
the mag.
Zach, you unloaded that.
Yeah.
That was the nerf.
How many bullets are already in there?
I don't know how much is a full mag in this charger read?
12.
12?
Or 13 if you want to overflow it.
Alright, read cameraman.
Okay, advanced camera E.
I can't see.
Okay, so this is the Nerf rival charger.
Okay, small problem. Charger, not shooting.
Are you pulling the trigger? Is it jammed?
Maybe.
No, open the door, you idiot.
No?
Okay, then don't point it down like this. You gotta point it like this or the ammo won't feed.
Will feed? Hold on, then I gotta stand up for this.
Yeah.
I guess if I wanted to.
Interruption on the field.
There we go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Who's that?
This is going into my new top 10 guns. Exactly a rip on that one.
Literally. Okay, it is.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 rounds in with that.
Hey, quit. Okay, Zachary,
Somebody
it's
already
your...
shoot this gun?
No, it's Zachary's turn.
Oh. This one.
Which one?
Shoot the trash gun.
Let's use the quad rock. No, the scout.
Oh, I already made one.
Okay, this is the Nerf Scout. MK. Something, something, something. I can't remember the actual name. You're welcome for being a bad cameraman. Hey, there's a bullet in here.
Hey, I'm gonna need that camera quality because y'all shot it in the room.
Why can't you just...
Hey, check it out. I found a bullet.
Yeah, guess what? I found it a light up gun. That's the gun I'm using.
Alright, ready? Here's the scout.
Oh, it's not. That is a face of idiocy right there.
Try to stick it in your ear.
That is the face of Biden whenever
Try to
he's
shoot
lost.
it in his ear.
Alright, I gotta reload this mag. Hold on, guys.
God, did you just say, like what I thought you said?
No.
That is
Said I
the
gotta
face
reload
of Biden whenever he won. Smug.
Oh, but you know me like right here.
Owie.
That was a
Do you
nice
need
shot,
do you
Zach.
need the ambulance? You have a boo boo.
I need me, mommy. Kiss me, boobies, goodbye. My lack of humor is very great.
Yeah, very
Or my
good.
sense of humor. I actually have a shirt that says my sense of humor may confuse you. It's pretty true.
Hey, out of the way! Out of the way! Out of the way! Hey, Zach, wait till the camera's on it. Okay. His face of concentration.
Zach's with me.
Okay. Target. He landed one into the top. Stop throwing bullets at me.
Want me to get him, Reed?
That wasn't me throwing, that was me shooting.
Okay. Shoot him.
Oh, you want me to?
Yeah, unload on him. This is the new target. That is the new target. And his balls is open.
Light up mode.
I am the cameraman. You do not shoot the cameraman.
Look, I can make you shoot out a laser. Watch. Boing. I made a laser.
Okay.
Zach, I see you.
Maybe me as a cameraman should take cover.
Is Benny still
No, you're good.
Okay. Are you still the target?
No.
Is he still the target?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, don't shoot me. You already shot me. No.
You missed him by a mile. You hit his friend Kyle. Nobody's
Throw
no.
another gun and shoot him. Whose gun is this?
Mine.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, this gun testing has turned into a full-on Nerf war.
No gun in hand. Gun in hand to shoot at target. Okay. Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is the Nerf Evader.
Yo, Bree, get a close up of this trigger. Come over here. Like next to me.
Is Benny still target, Reed?
No.
Yes, go ahead.
No
Except
more
when I'm not
targeting.
near him.
Reed, you must stay near me all the time.
Okay. Hey, hold on.
Just
hey,
record
hold on.
the
This
record
is
the
This
trigger.
is the best camera quality. Stick it on the mag. It's going on the mag. Okay, Zachary, try shooting him. It's too risky. There's a VIP right next to it.
Ah, my buzz.
Your buzz.
My buzz.
Your buzz Lightyear.
Funny, funny, funny.
Ah, got
That's
it.
your best
Chuckle, chuckle, chuckle.
chuckle.
Laughing. Like ha ha ha. Chuckle, chuckle, chuckle.
You sound like a parrot.
Got it.
Don't hit the girl.
Sorry for bad camera quality. We stuck it on the mag.
Yeah, that's an amazing side mag.
Got it. Yeah.
Righty. Alright, just hold it, and I want you to record
Okay.
the trigger, and look at how smooth it goes. You got it? I'm not even really aiming. Just Reed, I want you to shoot the gun and tell me how smooth that trigger is to you. It's such a smooth trigger. Like literally, watch. Just keep rev, and shit. Oh, it's getting a little hung up now.
What?
For telling you that I'm the target.
I wasted it all on the Echo. He has $40.
I do
So
not.
you're with the most money?
No, I only have like $1 bill.
More bullets. Ow.
Oh, taking her out in the vagina.
Watch your language.
We'll cut that out.
What?
Maybe
He
not.
just said bad words.
They know bad word.
He
Here,
said no
be my
word.
cameraman.
Okay.
He said private word.
Yeah, private word. Zoom in on butt. Zoom in on butt. Oh. Zoom in. It's on butt.
I got him.
Ooh. Ooh.
I got him.
I want to know.
Ooh.
No more guns.
Ooh. Alright.
Look at my friend.
Ooh.
You should have nerf bombed me.
I'm loading this for you, man.
Reed is dead.
Yo, I never knew you had this gun, Reed.
Which one?
The modulus.
I've had that one.
Never even knew you had it.
Him trying to snipe dead body.
Me with pistol trying to left-hand snipe a dead body.
Oh no, no! It shot two! It shot two.
Is it supposed to?
No, it's not.
I collected these to fill up this.
Well, not all those are gonna go in there, so screw you.
Ah!
How?
Is this?
No.
Oh!
I feel like it is.
Oh god.
I feel like it is. What did you brought out?
Dead body cam.
Dead body cam facing the wall? What?
Yeah, that's one. Ow! It hurts. Quit. Stings.
Ooh, you should not have done that.
Wait, hey, you had a mega round stuck in your hoodie. That was pretty funny.
Me?
No, Zach. Why are you so zoomed in?
Yeah.
Now shooting on Iron Man.
Your butt.
I can't find two more.
Finally, adjust the lighting here, camera. Golly. Oh no, you're not shooting me with the Echo. Where's the mag for this?
I don't know.
Read cameraman. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you. I just want to load my next gun, kid.
You know what? This video is turning out to be horrible. Should we stop?
No.
Really? Or you
That's
just
all
want me to film a whole-blown Nerf war of you and Zachary?
Neither. Just give me a minute. Let me just shoot off this gun.
Go, Reed.
Zach, cameraman. Better not just let it rip. I heard you.
Let it rip. Tater chip.
Headshot.
Zooming in on butt.
Quit zooming.
Ah, got him.
Hot dotty.
The face of a loser right there. He's hiding his face of losing in the room.
No, I'm just trying to load a gun. Technically.
Yeah, I see his hair popping in and out. Now he's out hiding in a dark shadow. What a wimp.
What did you just call me?
He's hiding in the dark. Hey! I fell. I fell on guns. This hurts. I have no idea how much this hurts. Cameraman down. Cameraman down. Oh God, this is a very bad decision. Spam? There we go.
When we start cleaning up.
Yeah, you should, please.
Okay.
Buzz.
Oh, you should not eat.
What's the fastest way you want to do this?
Do you get a picture of the Vault series? I mean the Elite 2.0 series.
The Elite 2.0. Do we not have any other ones?
Nah, that's the
Oh, little montage. You ready? Hold on.
The Vault, the Commander, and the Echo. I'm gonna try to get the Phoenix. Socks.
Really? You're messing up my beautiful montage. You just record all random angles.
Reed's trying to throw a bullet.
Oh shit! I forgot it was loaded. Alright, here, hold the gun. You ready? We're gonna switch. Alright, we're gonna end off the video here. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.